was straight bullets.
Okay.
He hit him the side of his waist.
Jesus.
And he died by getting to this.
ẹ̀yin ọmọ nàìjíríà tẹ láǹfààní àti máa gbọ́ àhùwà káàkiri àgbáńlá ayé kélédùà kó mọ fiṣọ rẹ̀ ṣọ́ wa kó mọ fàbó rẹ̀ bo níní. ibi tẹ́ ń wò ìdá ń pè ní welfare hospital alákíá ńlú ìbàdàn látàrí ọ̀rọ̀ awuyewuye tí ń jà rìnrìn ńlẹ̀ wípé ọmọ kékeré kan tó kọ rẹ̀ ń jẹ́ Táíwò Àlàdé ọmọ 17 years tán kó fẹ́ lọ ṣe wáyẹ́ẹ̀kì tí bàbá rẹ̀ gbé alàgbà Ọdúnayọ̀ Àlàdé. gẹ́gẹ́ bí n tá a gbọ́ òkú ọmọ lẹ́ ń wòye o gbogbo abiyamọ ayé ẹ̀ ní fojú sunkún ọmọ láṣẹ ọba mi Èdùà. èyí tá a máa ń wí lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọgbà nu wípé kánjúkánjú ò ṣe é lólé ayé fàágìrì kò fákun ọ̀rọ̀ bí ohun ẹni bá gba sùúrù kẹ́ni wọ́n fi ṣèkánjú bó pẹ́ bóyá ìrẹ́nà tóni lọ́wọ́ àtóni lẹ́nu. àdúgbò kan tó ń pè ní Adégbàyí ni a pé bàbá yìí ló ti ń bọ̀ ní sáré ní kánjú wípé kọ́mọ yìí kó ba lè bá ìdánwò láti ṣe kélédùà kó bá jẹ́ ká bí àmọ́ fojú sunkún ọmọ. ìbejì náà pé ọmọ yìí o Táíwò lélẹ́yìí Káyìndé rẹ̀ bóyá wọn ò nídánwò ní àbí kankan tó Allahu alam. gẹ́gẹ́ bí n tá a gbọ́ àṣẹ ń bẹ̀ wọ́n pé eré àsápajúdé tí bàbá yìí ń sá pé kọ́mọ òun kó lè bá ẹ̀sáàmù ní skul nílé ìwé náà ni ó sá dé àdúgbò kan tó ń pè ní airport roundabout ní Alákíá Adélúbí airport road ní àgbègbè Ẹ̀gbẹ́dá local government nílùú Ìbàdàn. ibẹ̀ wọ́n pé àwọn agbófinró yìí ti rí i pé ọ̀gbẹ́ni yìí já iná ń gbòó jáná àwọn ọlọ́pàá Alábàtà police station ní a pé wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n station ara wọn síbẹ̀ pé dọ̀n pé task force ẹ̀kíní kankan ni wọ́n ń ṣe. kó dúó ó jáná ó tún sáré àsápajúdé stop kíní kankan ló mú kí wọ́n pé àṣì ń bẹ̀ ipa àwọn ọlọ́pàá yìí wọ́n yìnbọn sí táyà ọkọ̀ tí wọ́n yìnbọn sí náà nàṣìta ìbọn ló ṣèṣì lọ bá Táíwò lẹ̀ ń wò ńlẹ̀ẹ́lẹ̀ kélédùà kó bá ní tú àwọn òbí rẹ̀ nú kélédùà kó má jẹ́ ká bí a máa fojú sunkún ọmọ rẹ̀. ẹ jẹ́ ká wà lójúfò ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ ọ́ ṣọ́ra gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ bá ti rí lójú pópó agbófinró ọlọ́pàá tí mo bá ti ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ tán gbébọn lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ohun tá a bá ń ṣe gbogbo ibi tá a bá ń lọ ẹjá máa farabalẹ̀ ká mọ̀ ní sùúrù torí pé ẹni tó gbébọn lọ lójú títì èèyàn ò mọ state of health ipò tí ẹni ń wà o èèyàn mọ ipò tó wà o.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? This is the twin brother. This is his twin brother. Look at this is his twin brother. This is his twin brother. The boy is a twin. This is his twin brother. This is the father of the boy. This is the father of the boy. Why will you tell me to bring down my camera? Are you okay? Oh, Lord, Buruku can bring down camera for what? Okay.
One neighbor, one day airport.
Okay.
But trailer no keep on going to because for Wayek.
All right.
And when you go for
Wayek.
I'm going to go Wayek. I'm 17 years. Eventually. I want I want you go for. I want you go for. I want Pacono. I want a Papa Diwade.
Okay.
Anything and you go.
Okay.
You are not ló ti wá. Ẹni lábàtà wọ́n ní tẹ̀sán ló ti wá. Mo wá ní kí ló dé tí mo wá lọ dìbò yẹn mú. Tó wà ní mọ́tò tó jẹ́ dráìfà. Tó lẹ́yìn tó pàtì sá lọ. Káwọn máa pa òun náà. Ẹ wá ní kó máa sá lọ. Wọ́n fẹ́ wọ fún ní tẹ̀sán yẹ́bọ̀sì ọ̀jọ̀ wọlé. Wọ́n wá lọ́jọ́ wọnú yẹ́bọ̀sì náà. Ẹ wá ní mọ́tò náà ní kẹ́yìn wá rescue. Kẹ́sì ẹ̀mí. Mọ́tò náà ní kẹ́yìn wá rescue. Lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà.
Ọmọ tó ọmọdé ní sáà.
Lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà.
Lábẹ́ òfin.
Àwọn ọlọ́pàá bá kiri. Mọ́tò náà ní kẹ́yìn wá rescue. Wọ́n sọ fún mi bá àdúgbò rẹ̀. Kí sẹ́mi èèyàn.
Sir, you were saying something right now. You said you're not a
Dókítà tó gbọ́ wọn yẹn wá ní. Dókítà tó gbé wá ní.
Doctor, please.
This is Gloria Popsi. Thank you for watching.
Sorry, doctor, I need to speak with you, please. Hold on. Just hold on. Ejaka Nisuru. This is the doctor that brought the boy here. This is the boy. This is the doctor. Doctor, what happened? Please, I need to have a word with you.
It was a straight bullet.
Okay.
He hit him the side of his waist.
Jesus.
And he died by getting 26.
What happened to your head, please? You need to talk. You need...
Of people that use a stick to hit me and my...
When you were trying to rescue the boy, right?
Why I want to rescue the boy and the policeman. So the rest ran away. There are 9 in numbers.
So the boy is
I
dead
only
now.
picked only one out of them.
So where is he now? Where is he?
He's under my custody for now. Okay. Just to bring out peace and calm among the citizens of Nigeria.
All right. Please, thank you very much.
The division of the police, Skylet. Where is Skylet? He is the ASP, the Assistant Commissioner of Police, warned him this morning. He's supposed to be on call.
Okay.
This morning.
So what is he doing on duty?
To join those Ottoman.
Okay.
The problem comes from the Ottoman.
Okay.
That's normal.
Thank you very much, doctor. Your name, sir, please. Your name, please.
Dr. Deyoju Ayinla.
Okay, thank you very much.
Wait, stop.
At Welfare Hospital, we are told the boy is dead. We are told the boy is dead. This is the car. This is the car, yes, where the stray bullet came to meet the boy. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We want justice for this little boy. Thank you very much. Thank you.